Hi, Wes here with Restore Your Jordans and More. I have a request today. My son came in and he said they had told him, he was working on the farm, by the way. He was working on the farm at the register, and they told him he had to go in to pick up some vegetables out of the farm area. Well, he decided to work out there, and he happened to be wearing his Air Force 1's. So here's what they are pretty bad. So I've got my work cut out for me here, so let's see. All right, so I showed you some before pictures, and like I said, this is going to be a task here. I'm not sure if I can get these looking that good anymore or not. I've even seen a couple spots on here where I see some stitching is coming off. I'm probably not going to be able to do anything with that part, of course. But this is more of a cleaning, see if I can do something with the crease in the toe, see what we can do to make it look a lot better. Maybe even he can wear them again. So hopefully, and we'll see what we can do. So here we go. First of all, we're going to take out the laces, and I'm gonna clean them both up at the same time. You already took a before picture, so I'll show you the after pictures as well. So I'm gonna clean them both up at the same time. So first of all, we're gonna start with taking the laces out. All right, laces are out of both of them. These things look pretty trashed. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to use the Rejuvenator kit. A couple squirts and 4 ounces of water. Take the laces, which I still think they're trashed, but I may be able to salvage them. Put them in the water with the solution. Mix them around a little bit. Give them a little pre-treat. We'll put one to the side for now, but we're going to start on one. Using a soft bristle brush, try to get as much of the crap off of it first. Alright, we've got about as much as we're going to get off of there loosely, so now we're going to also put our shoe tree in so we can get some of that crease out. Alright, and we're going to continue on. I'm going to use the medium bristle brush for the midsoles and the stiff bristle brush for the soles. The bottoms of the soles. Okay, guess we got about as much as that. This is the first part. Wipe it down a little bit. These are some beat up shoes, that's for sure. Wow. I'd say we got some more work to do. Alright, so we're going to put them in the washer. Alright, this is what we have for the black Air Force 1's. Definitely a big difference from what they were. The crease protectors inside definitely help. Shoe trees, they're just drying still, so we still have a little bit of drying to do, so that looks so much better. Alright, that's going to do it for this one. If you like what you saw, hit that like button, comment, subscribe. If you want to see the next video, hit that notification bell so that you get it when it comes out. As always, I appreciate your support. Until next time, peace.